What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash, trying to figure out, could this particular cryptocurrency run to $450 in the next couple of weeks? You guys can see that there's a couple of sell zones here on our chart for Bitcoin Cash in order for the market to actually run to 450. We got one that's being tagged right now. We have one around 385, another one around 425, and then hitting around 450. What do you guys think? Is it logical? Is it probable by the end of 2024? Let's see. Let's go ahead and look at the market in Bitcoin Cash on the 3-weekly chart first. And you guys can see over the last couple of 3 weeks, we have seen the price, or at least buyers into the market in Bitcoin Cash, hold this buy zone. That's going to be key. It needs to be maintained. These buyers here in Bitcoin Cash needs to hold this zone in order for us to even consider $450. So far, they're doing a great job at it. But again, time will tell all. If they let this area go, don't even expect the market to go to 450. Bitcoin Cash on the 5-weekly chart, you guys can see right here in the last 5 weeks, it doesn't look too bullish neither. So again, that's not a positive sign for us to run to see Bitcoin Cash go to $450. Here it is on the monthly chart. Got a couple of days left. Well, not a couple of days, 13 hours and 7 minutes. Market looks like the buyers are holding it firm. So that's pretty good. So we have it here, even a better depiction of buyers holding the zone that needs to be maintained. Next 13 hours, 6 minutes. If the market in Bitcoin Cash closes higher than the previous month's close, that's great. Looking for the market to at least continue to trade within a range. Here it is on the last 2 weeks. I'm not all that bullish though. I must admit, I'm not that bullish into the market Bitcoin Cash. The market is still reflecting that sellers are still in this particular cryptocurrency, selling this currency around 375, 385. That's where they're at. And as long as buyers can't take those, or as long as the buyers cannot take those sellers out the way, again, it's going to be hard for the market in Bitcoin Cash to even run to 416, 415. Here it is on the weekly chart. Now, the buyers into the market in Bitcoin Cash has been chipping away at these sellers starting on this weekly price bar and continuing even to last week. We're starting out on the new week here, and you guys can see that the market currently is down 3.25%. So yeah, the job continues for the market in Bitcoin Cash to continue to try to eliminate these sellers out the way. Here it is on the 5-day chart. You guys can see from our sell zone that we depicted, it's still being a problem. It's still a problem. And it's going to continue to be a problem until the buyers buy out all of the people who are willing to sell their Bitcoin Cash at that sell zone. Here it is on the 4-day chart. Okay. Here it is on the 3. So I'm not surprised to not see Bitcoin Cash trending higher right now, all due because of what occurred every time price comes to the sell zone. So neither should you. You should not be surprised. We've had numerous opportunities to where buyers attempted to break the sell zone higher and they didn't do it. We came here on this 3-day price bar. It attempted again, and you can see right now it's not working out. Like I say, we're down 3.25%. Here it is on the 2-day chart. So I will have to say, did you take some of this profit that we talked about into the market in Bitcoin Cash? Right here on the 2-day price bar starting September 27th, 7.25%. Okay, because we told you, we knew that we will be up against these sellers hitting the sell zone, and currently they're telling us that they're still alive, that they're still here. So the sooner that we find buyers come back, then this price prediction is still valid. We haven't seen that yet though. Being down 3% right now, the market is telling us that those buyers so far hasn't revealed themselves. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. So I will have to state, maybe right here, we don't want to see the price in Bitcoin Cash break below. Okay. If we see the market in Bitcoin Cash break this buy zone on the 7-hour chart, then we might need to let this price prediction go. I'm just saying. It looked like we may have just had one opportunity to come in and take the bag. Okay. So yeah, I would have to say the market needs to hold that zone. So we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. Currently, I'm not bullish. I'm slightly a little bit more bearish, albeit I'm not saying that the market is going to completely crash or completely go lower. I just need to wait and see if the market buyers are going to show up. And they need to show up real soon. Because if they do, great. We continue to go forward with this price prediction. If they don't, then I'll have to come back in and drop another idea. Looking for price to possibly come back down to this buy zone and test it right down here. Okay, so we'll see what happens over the next day or so. But yeah, I'm finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. To answer the question, could Bitcoin Cash run to 450? Yes, but as of right now, it doesn't look likely, at least not in the near term, shall I say. Maybe in November, December, we could see a recovery. Price begins to lift up higher, and then we can put this 450 back on the radar. But as of right now, I just don't see it. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit and hit the like button so you can also subscribe.